A lot has changed since the Providence, Rhode Island restaurant Al Forno pioneered grilled pizza in the 1990s. Today, pizza turns up wherever people fire up the grill. This one has a twist. You cook the dough directly on the grate over the fire. There's a twist in the ingredients too: black beans, queso fresco, and roasted butternut squash. To cook the pizza, I'm using a FIREMAGIC Echelon Diamond gas grill. I set it up for direct grilling. Place the squash on the grill grate. The idea is you want to roast the squash, char the outside. This will impart a smoky flavor. When one side is charred, give it a turn. Don't worry about burning the skin. Actually, you want to char it. That charred skin is what's going to give you the smoke flavor. Meanwhile, here's the pizza dough. I made it last night using white flour, whole wheat flour, rye flour, honey, and beer. Let it rise overnight. Punched it down, let it rise again. I'm letting it warm to room temperature. It's been 40 minutes and the squash should be ready. You can see it's nicely charred. Just to test it, I'll insert a slender skewer. When it pierces the flesh easily, the squash is ready. And you're going to take a paring knife and just scrape off the burnt skin. And that's what I want to see, that bright orange color. Then grab a spoon and just scrape out any seeds that might be in the center. And cut it into 1/4-inch thick slices. Squash and black beans, two New World foods that changed the course of culinary history. So here's your dough. You can see it's nice and soft. And one thing that distinguishes this preparation, you don't roll the pizza dough in flour. You stretch it out in extra virgin olive oil. Plenty of oil. You want to be very generous with the oil. And then we'll just pat the dough down and gently stretch it out. Like that, now your pizza is ready for grilling. To grill the pizza, you set up your grill for direct grilling. You want one zone on high, one zone on medium. And it's very important to brush your grill grate clean so the dough won't stick. And oil it with a folded paper towel, dipped in oil, and drawn across the bars of the grate. I call this good grill hygiene. And it's especially important to do when grilling pizza. You want to lift the pizza dough up and drape it directly on the grill grate. What I love about direct grilling the pizza dough, the outside gets crusty, a little charred, the inside is soft and chewy. For me, it's the perfect pizza. And you cook the dough on one side first, then you'll move it to the cooler zone and assemble the pizza. Oh, this is a winner. Look at those bubbles popping up. Give the dough a 1/4 turn so the bottom of the crust grills evenly. You're looking for the crust to be nice golden brown on all sides. You can see the top of the dough is starting to bubble. That will make the crust nice and light. When your dough is browned on the bottom, it's ready for turning. Drizzle a little oil on top. Then turn the pizza dough over. Beautiful. And slide it to the cooler part of the grill to assemble the pizza. We'll start with cooked black beans, your roasted squash slices, Then sprinkle the pizza with queso fresco, which is a soft, crumbly, salty cheese from Mexico and Central America. Then some toasted pumpkin seeds. Hot pepper flakes. Chopped fresh cilantro. And another drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Now slide your pizza back over the hot zone to cook the bottom crust, and we can close the grill lid. Cooking time is quick, another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, to check the pizza for doneness, just lift the edge, check the bottom, make sure the bottom is browned as well, then pull it onto a pizza peel. And here's your grilled squash, black bean, and queso fresco pizza. Looks pretty awesome to me, but let's see how we did. So, I'll just slice it. You can hear that crust, nice and crisp. Really nice flavor yin-yang with the sweet smoky squash, the salty cheese, the earthy beans. Of course, you can customize the toppings any way you like.